County in upstate South Carolina. Spartanburg County in upstate South Carolina. Western Cherokee County in upstate South Carolina until 10:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 9:23 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located.
I was wrong.
Extending from 17
Holy
miles
crap.
to 6 miles northeast of Greenville downtown, moving 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar
Okay, I was wrong.
Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted.
And you didn't go off.
Spartanburg,
Oh my
Five
God.
Forks, Fountain Inn, Boiling Springs, South Carolina, Woodruff, Duncan, Lemon, Packlet, Cowpens, and Welford. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a
So
building.
that escalated.
Large hail and damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with these storms. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page or tweet it using hashtag NWSGSP. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 10:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in South Carolina: Cherokee, Greenville, Lawrence, and Spartanburg.
That was quick.
The National Weather Service in Greenville, Spartanburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Lawrence County in upstate South Carolina.
Killed my ears, but dang, GSP, that was fast.